是真正的贴近大自然哦啊！我有穿鞋子，他在抱怨呢、啊，你看啊 ，Daddy, you got a slipper? I got nothing. Look, what happened? Huh? You tell me, Daddy. Ma, you got this? Hey? Yeah, no. There's so many people over there. So what they are doing? Check. Oh, they are just walking. Hey? Oh, that's your shadow. That's your shadow. Oh, come on. Oh, God. Look. Daddy got a new haircut. What? There's nothing. Come on, let's take a walk. Come on. Let's take a walk. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's take a walk. Yeah. Look at him. Oh, this boy is taking a walk. Huh? Look at you. Huh? Why are you pointing at? Come on. How's the feeling? Huh? We stand under the grass. Grass, whatever. Oh, you're not in the life? Huh? You're not in the life? Come on. Where are you going? Where are you going? Look. Wrong side. Oi. It's the wrong side, right? Oi. Where are you going? There's nothing. Oh, I know you. You wanna play skateboard? Come on, keep going, keep going. Yeah. What? You interested, eh? Huh? Take away. You know how to take away? Come on, get up, get up. She just fall down. It's alright. Hey. Don't be a pervert, okay? Come on, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Hey, if you want it, you can take it home. Oh, it's too big, mine. How I not take it home? Let's go, let's go. Come on, you got this. You got this. Okay, so you gotta walk in home? So Daddy gotta take a scooter? Oh, what's going on there? Oh, maybe you gotta stay away from them. Oh, what's that? Doggy? Daddy show you. Just some puppy. Oi! Oi! Alright. Oh yeah, there's another one. There's another one. Yeah. Oh, look, it's very muddy here. Huh? You wanna check in here? Hey, Elton. Oh, you wanna give it a hug? Oh no, unbelievable. I thought it's the stick. Come on. Get up. Come on, get up. 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 Hey, we don't eat the grass. Get up. Come on. You tired? Alright. Did he give you a hug? Come on. I got you. I got you. Huh? Much easier. So late. So right. Can rest at home later. So Mommy gonna show you. You know what? We have a cake tonight. Wait a second. Just like that. Just like that. Show mommy. Where we are? Shanghai Park? Are we at Shanghai Park? Okay, that's enough. End the life now.